Tomatoes are the stars of every garden, proud, colorful, and full of summer's promise. They may be fussy and demand a lot of attention, but when treated right, they reward us with that unmistakable taste of sunshine and nostalgia. To help them stay strong and produce rich, flavorful fruit, today we're preparing a special homemade liquid feed your plants will love. Start by measuring out 2 heaping tablespoons of plain rolled oats and grinding them into a soft powder. Oats might seem simple, but they're packed with important minerals like iron, manganese, and phosphorus. This combo helps support deep root growth and gives the plant the strength to stand tall while resisting common tomato diseases. Transfer the powdered oats into a container with half a liter of warm water and give it a gentle stir. You'll notice it starts to get a milky color. That's all the goodness being released into the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. This ingredient brings in beneficial bacteria that help the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently. Yogurt is also a natural source of calcium, which is crucial for preventing blossom end rot, a common issue with tomatoes when the weather gets hot and dry. Finally, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of powdered lavender or dried lavender blossoms. Lavender doesn't just smell nice, it also acts as a natural pest repellent. Its aroma discourages aphids, whiteflies, and other nuisances, while its antifungal qualities protect against mildew and blight. Mix all the ingredients well and let the solution sit at room temperature for several hours. This resting period helps everything activate and blend into a rich tonic. Once the mixture is settled, strain it and add 2 more liters of clean water to dilute it. Now you're ready to feed your tomatoes. Pour about 300 milliliters at the base of each plant every 15 days. Your tomatoes will thank you with stronger growth, healthier leaves, and tastier fruit. If you enjoyed this recipe, feel free to share it with fellow gardeners. Let's grow our food with care and joy, no chemicals needed. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.